Hey, Joshua Besnet here. Welcome to Pirates and Teepees. Thanks for tuning in. We've got Fire Pit Cooking, episode number 1. It's going to be banana peel wrapped baked sweet potato. Alright, what we got here is some banana peels and a washed sweet potato. Got some twigs from outside I'm going to use to make the toothpick sort of things. You can use toothpicks if you want. Okay, I got this thing together as good as it's gonna get. I'll face that part away from the fire. Let's go out to the fire pit. Okay, got the fire pit. There's our sweet potato. Banana peels protect it from the coals the same way aluminum foil would, so you can eat more of the skin. You know, banana peels are free, right? So here you go. It's going to take about an hour or so to cook, so let's let that do its thing. As you can see, you don't want a roaring fire. That'll just fry the outside and char it to death. You want a good set of hot coals. This fire's probably been going for an hour as I've been doing chores. Got these logs just kind of sitting here, smoldering. And I'm going to let it burn all the way down before I even think about adding any more wood to it. Alright, check it out. Looks like we're getting pretty close to being done here. I'm going to poke it with a stick. See if it's soft. Alright, it's just about done, it looks like. Let's poke it with a stick and see. It's got a little way to go still. I can get the stick in there, but let's keep going. Alright, there's the finished cooked potato. This baby's super hot. Oh, you see how that banana peel kept the skin from getting burnt? It's still burnt in a little few spots, but oh, look at that. Nice. Good to go. Smells delicious. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and check out my other vids. Pirates and Teepees.